Welcome this video. Video title is Transforming Your Patio with Boho Inspired Paglo Decor Idea. Introducing us the warm breeze heralds the arrival to inspire. It's the perfect time to revamp your outdoor space. And what's better, a way to do say than by incorporating boho inspired decor into your patio polo. Bohemian style with its vibrant color, eclectic pattern, and free shipping charm can transforming any outdoor area with into a charm and invite retreat. We explored create idea to info boho fire into your Paglo patio idea. Global in inspire accent. Boho style after draw inspire from around the bolo incorporating elements from various cabin. Inflow your Paglo with a world vibrant by incorporating Boho inspired accent such as mute rain to that electric touch with other scene of warmth to your outdoor space. Low setting arrangement from a touring boho main experience other for low setting arrangement like flow, cabin, cushion, or even a pillow soft. That referent setting style not only enhance the vision vibrant but also enhancing a like back and customize atmosphere. Choose cushion in vibrant color and unique pattern to enhance the boho aesthetic. Macramé magic. No boho inspired decor is completed without the include beautiful to megalo incorporating megalo wall hen plus hen and even a megalo hen to give your pavlo a touch of handmade enhance the during now a pattern will add a dome and Bohemians. Charm your outdoor sanctuary. Layout, textile, and soft furniture. Boho style and simplicity with a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere and here not better a way to mount this and ballet textile of soft finish other of accent to colorful pagalo rain tone blue and autumn to create a warm and invite sit arrange under your pagalo maximize and match different textile print well add infuse chaptering to your space. Conclusions. Transforming your patio pagalo into a boho inspire hen is an accent and revamp project by incorporating layout textile maglo hin gardening inspire accent low set arrangement engaging light. You you can create a space that reflects your free inspire personally. Embracing the ambient color, unique pattern, and relaxed atmosphere that different boho style and watching us your Pablo can then go to sting by outdoor gardening and different with those create idea your term your patio into a bohemian mixing that invite both comfort and style. Thank you watching this video.